Welcome to Ben Talks Money. Here we discuss stocks, investments, ETFs, and personal finance.
Hello there and welcome back to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in Finance and Management. I have been trading for the past 8 years and I am a full-time options trader. I want to say a big thank you to all the subscribers on my channel. I really appreciate you guys and I hope to add some form of value to your trading and your investment journey. Our watch list for this week is doing incredibly well so far. MP is up about 30% and this is day 2. And the rest of the stocks on our watch list, they are doing incredibly well. So thank you so much for sticking around. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and please help me grow the channel. I made a video a couple of months ago about 5 stocks under $10 that are set to blow up. And I'm glad to say that almost all the stocks in that list are no longer under $10. And there was one specific stock that really piqued my interest, that I was really stressing about it. And today to emphasize how life-changing that particular stock can be. And this stock that I'm talking about is NVTS. NVTS is a semiconductor company. It's about 2.7 billion in market cap. And just yesterday, they had a deal with NVIDIA and the stock is up almost 30%. So right now, trading around $12, $13 right now. And when I made a video, this stock was about $5. But this company still has a lot of potential. There is a lot of room for this company to grow. If you look at the market cap of 2.7 billion, most of the semiconductor stocks, they are either in hundreds of billions or trillions. So what is NVTS? The full name is Navitas Semiconductor Corporation. It's based out in California, just like most of these tech stocks. And what they do is that they offer energy efficient chips that can run on AI servers without heating up. So right now they have chips that are used in mobile phone chargers and electric cars. And their new deal with NVIDIA is to provide them with chips that NVIDIA can use to build AI servers, because their competitive advantage over all the other semiconductors is that they have a technology, they have an IP that they make these chips, and the chips that they make are so unique that they don't heat up. And right now, all of the AI servers, they are running 24/7. So to have this kind of technology that prevent the chips from heating up is a huge advantage. So their chips, it uses less power. If you look at all the data centers that are going around with this AI thing, the most concerning issue is energy usage. That's why you see companies like Google, Amazon teaming up with all these nuclear energy companies. You see a lot of all these small cap nuclear energy companies blowing up because of the demand for energy. So NVTS, their chips uses less energy and it doesn't heat up. This gives them the competitive edge over their competition, because right now there's no other semiconductor company that is producing this kind of chip. And if it was easy to do, NVIDIA, a $4 trillion company, wouldn't have asked a $2 billion company to do it. So let that sink in, right? A $4 billion company is outsourcing an important semiconductor from a $2.7 billion company. So it tells me that this is a unique technology that, as of now, only Navitas has, right? So the stock is right now trading around, again, $13 as of the time of recording this video. And there's a lot of room to grow. NVIDIA is their biggest client so far, but just think about it. It's just a matter of time before you hear them doing a deal with OpenAI. The ChatGPT servers, they run 24/7 and they need these kind of chips. They need this kind of chips that doesn't heat up and also is very power efficient. It's a great opportunity to get in right now. Just like most small cap companies, they are not making money. Tesla started becoming profitable back in 2018, 2019. So yes, NVTS is not making money right now, but the path that they are on, this is a solid growth stock. Their deal with NVIDIA validates them. And it's just a matter of time before a lot of these deals start coming in. It's just a matter of time before, again, OpenAI comes in for a deal, or one of these companies. I wouldn't even be surprised if they team up, go into some form of a partnership with OpenAI, because it makes a lot of sense. And companies like Tesla, a lot of all these EV companies, they will need their chip at some point. Let's take a look at the daily chart to see where this stock is trading right now. So if you take a look at the daily chart, you can see that this stock has made a little bit of a move recently, not a little bit, a lot of move recently. When I made the video, this stock was around this area, was around 550 a couple of months ago when I made the video. I think it was around September. And right now it's almost $13, which is more than 100% move from that time when I made the video. The problem is that if you are a small channel, you don't get the visibility, so it takes time for people to know what you are talking about. But most of the stocks that I've made videos on so far, they've done really, really well. I made a video about buying the dip on Chipotle stock when it was about $38. This stock is trading right now around $43. And a lot of the BBAI, I made a video about BBAI when BBAI was around $4. Quantum stocks, I started talking about the quantum stocks when these stocks were about $4. I remember QBTS, it was around $4. QBTS right now trading about over $40 right now. That's more than 1,000%, right? Again, this is not a financial advice. You just have to do your own research and make sure that what you are investing in fits your risk and your long-term goals. So if you look at this, I made a video, it was around this area, 550, 560, and it's since then make a lot of moves. This is when they announced the deal with NVIDIA. It was around 850 when they announced the deal with NVIDIA. And look at that. All the way back here to $13, and right now it's trading around $12.80. So it's not too late. The market cap is still under 3 billion compared to all the giant semiconductor stocks with the market caps of over hundreds of billions and some of them a couple of $1 trillion. If you are looking for a long-term investment, I always do dollar cost averaging. If I want to invest, let's say hypothetically, if I want to invest $1,000 in total in something like this, what I'll do is that I will split it into 5. I will buy $200 at this point, give myself a couple of months, buy another $200 or a couple of weeks. That's how I do it. You can just make it a recurring buy because this is a long-term play. This is a long-term play. It's not something that you are buying and selling tomorrow. If you have stocks in this, if you have stocks in NVTS, you hold it for as long as possible. Okay, so that's it for the video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and until next time, let's keep making money.